doing catching punts?
I'm just trying to get it going a little bit. How you doing, Coach?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, you having a good year?
Oh, thank you.
Head coach Mike Zimmer personifies Minnesota nice. But don't be fooled. U.S. Bank Stadium is not a friendly environment.
Let's go. Work, man. Over 3J Blue, play it. Over 3J Blue, play it.
Stafford with 1 on the play clock, hands off. Riddick breaks the tackle, got first down. Oh, there he goes, right sideline for foot race. 35, and take it down at the 30-yard line.
All right, here we go. We're all right. Let's wrap up. Come on. It's okay. We just missed a tackle on that one. We'll be all right. Hey, what about the face mask? Oh, throw the flag. Hey, Ed. He's over it. Come on, McKenzie. We can't hold. We can't have penalties, and we can't. You got 3 penalties on that drive.
None of us. Nobody saw it. We'd have seen a mask. I checked. Nobody saw it. I'm sorry. If we missed it, I'm sorry. But
You missed it. We're not going to stop blitzing.
Play action. In pursuit is Daniil Hunter. Intercepted by Cap Greenway.
Yeah! Good job. Good series. Come on, baby. Let's go.
It's 3rd and goal from inside the 1. Fires back right in the end zone.
Good drive.
It is 3rd and 2 from the Lions 6. Bradford hands it to McKinnon. Up the middle, across the 5 to the 4, first down.
Well, they're marking him short, Paul.
Are they?
Yeah, they're going to mark him short about the length of the football. In a situation like this, with the way the defense has been playing.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Vikings 4 of 7 on 4th down this year. Hand off Asiata. Hit at the line of scrimmage.
This is going to be short.
Spot. Lions ball. They held on 4th down.
Hey! Now we got to go. Let's go, baby.
Fires right. Caught Bailey. And the Vikings have light.
Yeah! Yes!
27 seconds to go. 3rd and goal from the 1.
Gibbs on the end around. It's just and he lost the football. And he picked up by the Lions.
He's in.
The officials are saying touchdown Vikings.
I love adversity, baby. Good job, baby. Let's go.
Matt Prater with a 59-yard try.
Miss it. Come on, miss it.
Snap spot with plenty of distance is good. And we're heading to overtime.
Let's keep going now. We're going to go win this thing. Let's keep going.
3rd and 8, 2 receivers, right, 1 left. Stafford back to pass on 3rd down. Passes left, clock going to Tate at the 15. Spins away to the 10. Dives to the end zone. And the Detroit Lions have won the game.